There have not been a novel psychiatric drug in the last 50, 60 years in the market. Many drugs fail in the clinical trials, and one of the reasons is because we check their efficacy by using subjective measures, which are symptoms. Unlike the rest of the medicine, in psychiatry, we use symptoms to diagnose and treat. In psychiatry, we need objective biomarkers, which can tell us something about the underlying biological basis of a psychiatric condition. And it can also tell us about the target engagement or if a drug is actually improving the underlying cause or not. So our brain creates electrical activity, which we can record in the form of EEG. We call it brain oscillations or brain waves. And these waves are pretty consistent across mammal species, mammals. And this is very important because in animal research, many times the findings cannot be replicated in humans. So by using EEG biomarkers, we can bridge the gap, the translational gap between animals and human research. My PhD project is based on developing novel EEG biomarkers which can be used to test or screen new drugs in schizophrenia. So in schizophrenia patients, it has been shown that they show sensory deficits. What does it mean? That if you present a sensory stimulus like sound or visual stimulus, certain frequencies in their EEG signal is reduced compared to normal, healthy humans. What I have shown is that if you block certain neurons in the brain of animals, they can mimic the sensory deficits which we see in schizophrenia patient. So in this way, I have developed an animal model which replicates sensory deficits which we see in human patients. Now we can use this animal model to screen different drugs, new drugs, novel drugs, which are better than currently available antipsychotics. We tested currently available drugs. There are two types of drugs, typical and atypical antipsychotics, and we saw that clozapine, which is an atypical antipsychotic, was highly effective in improving the antipsychotic symptoms. But the only thing is that clozapine is it has side effects. But it tells us that we can use clozapine as a model drug and we can develop new and better drugs which have fewer side effects but which show better effectiveness. Thank you.